Hello everyone, this is Mark from Real Tech Experts. So I'm going to show you how to configure a hikvision camera, an IP camera, to work on any other NVR. So first of all, we unbox it, open it. This is an IP camera, it's a colorful camera. Open it. So we're going to connect this to the PoE switch via a Cat6 cable. So we already connected our PoE switch. Our PoE switch is connecting to the laptop via an uplink port. Then any other PoE port can connect to our camera. So we connect our camera is connected. After our camera is connected, automatically it will start up. Since it is a colorful camera, it will bring some light and start up. So we come to our laptop. So on our laptop, we need to have downloaded a software called SADP. It's a software that is used by Hikvision for activating Hikvision cameras, because initially they come when they are not activated. So you have to activate them. Then after activating them, then you can configure them to work on any other NVR. So SADP tool is here. You may have already been using it. So when you open it, it shows you this camera. It's having an IP of 192.168.1.64, but is inactive. So we start by activating the camera. So we come and select the camera. Then we come and give it a new password, because initially they don't have any password. So we give it a new password. I'm giving it a password of my choice. I'm going to give it a password of my choice. They are saying it is weak, but it is okay, it will work. So after that, I activate. So after activating, they tell me the device is active. So I need to fill in these security questions just in case I forget the password at one moment. They can help me to recover the password. So you fill in security questions of your choice depending on what you want. There are 3 of them, so I give them answers. Then I confirm. They say the questions have been confirmed. So I'm going to give it an IP address of my choice. Let me call it 192.168.1.26. Then I fill in the new password, the one I've just put. Once I put in the password, they say modification complete, successful. So you realize that this IP address, which was 64, has now become 192.168.26. So I'm done with this tool. Now I can open up any browser. Let's say I'm using Internet Explorer. I put in that IP in my address bar, 192.168.1.26. I enter, give it some small time to open, to log in. So I'm here. I have to log into the camera. The username default is admin. Then a new password that I just created. Once I fill in that, I'm good to go. So the camera opens. So that's a live view, but it is in a box, so we can't see anything. So I come to the configurations menu. There are some few things that I need to change. So under the network, I can come to the advanced settings of the network. There is this one called an integration protocol. Some call it integration protocol. When you come to integration protocol, this particular model is using, you can enable Hikvision CGI. Others will have Hikvision. I will have on VF, enable on VF. So I will turn this one on. I also enable the open network video interface. Then I'm going to create a user, and I add another user to the list. Let me call my user local. You can use any name of your choice. That's my username. Then I give it a password of my choice also. This is the same, I retype the password again. It's the same password that I will use to connect to any other NVR which is not hikvision. So I need to save these changes because I've created another user, added another user to the list. This one is called a media user. So I save. After saving, I come back to the system settings. I come under the security settings. So under security settings, this one is called RTSP authentication. I have to make it basic, otherwise it will not work. So I save this setting again, then I can go back to maintenance. Under system, I reboot the camera. I say okay. So once the camera reboots, the ONVF is enabled. So it's the ONVF protocol that will help us to connect to any other NVR which is not hikvision. So I'll make the next video of how to connect, how to integrate the real camera on another NVR. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.